remind us of the excitement that's always happening around us in this country of ours, like carnival time at the county fair. You want to see what I won from a kid? By hitting the hammer on that thing that goes boing. Or getting all gussied up and driving to the opening of a Broadway show. Fun, huh? Or the kicks you get driving on a vacation trip. I'm the one on the left here. The other fellow weighed 160 pounds. Fun, excitement, places to go. They're all out there if you'll just get out and find them. So start the 60s right with the finest Chevy ever. Strong, silent, sensibly new. The 1960 Impala Convertible by Chevrolet. New outer grace, new inner space, rich, deep, comfortable seats, greater leg room, roomy reasons why Chevrolet is first in the values that last. Across the USA, Chevrolet is the way to start the 60s right. This is the new Bel Air Sport Coupe. Cosmopolitan in every line. It makes luxury a low-priced word. It shows there's nothing like a new car, and no new car is more fun than a Chevy. Start the 60s right with the finest Chevy ever. Take the wheel of a carrier that'll tote the whole crowd. A 1960 Chevrolet station wagon. Just one of the 5 easy-riding Chevy wagons for 60. Just one of the 16 new models offered by Chevrolet for 1960. Strong, silent, sensibly new. See how comfortable they are, how beautiful they are. At your Chevrolet dealer. There's all-American excitement to new car time in the USA, so start the 60s right with the finest Chevy ever. There's so much to see, so much to do. So let's get out there and see the USA in a Chevrolet. Come on, have yourself some fun.